If you want to change the email address of your Walmart account, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address associated with your Walmart account. Well, this guide is for the ones who can access to the current email address and now want to change that to a new email address. Here are the steps that you need to follow. First, in a favorite browser, in the address bar, you're going to need to enter walmart.com and press enter. Once you've done it, clicking on the sign in account, you need to log into your account. You will be presented with a page similar to this one. Now from here, you need to click on this section where it says hi and your name and account. Once you've clicked that, you will have a page something like this. Now here you need to browse through the left sidebar and you can see personal info. Once you click on it, you will have a page open like this. In order to change the email address, we just need to click on this edit. So once you click on the edit, a pop-up will appear in which it says it needs to verify our email address for security purposes. Now if we click on email me, a code will be sent to our current email, and we need to copy the code. Once we have copied it, we need to paste it in this field where it says verification code, and once you click on continue, you will be prompted to enter a new email address and you can put it in this new email address field, and again click on continue. This will direct us to this page where again in the new email address of ours a code will be sent and we need to put it in here. So after clicking continue in this field again, and our new email address is good to go, we can from then on use our new email address to sign in to our Walmart account. Now that's how you change email address for Walmart. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. If you still have any problems or questions related to changing email address in Walmart, then you can leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time.